In today's video, we're going to look at some powders from Double Dip. Welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and these powders that we're going to review today are glow in the dark powder from Double Dip, which are part of their 80s collection. Thank you guys for joining me for another video today. I want you to go ahead and take this time to subscribe if you're not a part of Just Doing Nails yet. Also, if you enjoy quality nail product reviews, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, it'll really help this channel grow. So here we have the instructions, and I just did a Double Dip powder review not that long ago, and the instructions I got in that kit were not as extensive as this one. It says to apply the activator twice in these instructions, so that's just a good reminder that we want to make sure we're following whatever instructions we get with our product. That way we know we're getting the best quality out that product. So this kit came with 3 colors. There's a pink color, and this color is called Pink Panther. There's an orange color, which is called Mixtape. And then there's a light green type of teal blue color, and it's called Magic. I do like to recommend that you wear a mask when you're using dip powder, and I'll get into that in just a little bit and show you why I recommend that. I'm just going to show you guys these spoons I got from the dollar store, and these spoons can help in aiding you pick up that dip powder and put it onto your nails during the whole process. But what I'm going to use today is a shot glass, and you could also use a dessert glass that you can find from the dollar store. But what the shot glass does is it gives you that depth you need, because a lot of times these dip powders come in these very short bottles, and if you're doing longer nails, you're not able to stick your long nail into those short bottles. So the shot glass will give you that depth to be able to get full coverage. So the first color we're going to look at is Pink Panther, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to show you guys why I recommend that mask. If you can see, as I'm pouring this in there, all those specks are just flying out into the atmosphere. So you definitely don't want to inhale that, and that is definitely why I recommend you wear a mask. I am going to be using my bottles that I got in the kit that they sent me before, and they're numbered 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I just wanted to tell you guys that so you don't get confused when I start off on step 2, because I will explain step 1 as well. So step 2 is the base coat, and what this base coat is, it's like a spreadable glue. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you put it on there as evenly as possible, and you're going to stick it down into the powder. Get as much full coverage as you can, and make sure you're shaking off that excess powder. So let's talk about the first step. The first step is just your basic nail prep, and I did make a video for that. I'll put that there for you guys in that upper right corner, and that nail prep will be good for acrylic powder, gel polishes, poly gel. It's just your basic nail prep, so you guys go ahead and check that video out if you need to know how to prep your nails. Alright, so the next step here is we want to take a brush and make sure we're brushing off all that excess powder dust. Here is the first coat, and it's very transparent, so I'm definitely going to have to add another coat to it. So you're just going to take that base coat again and put it on there, and then you're going to dip it back into the powder. And again, shake off any of that excess powder. And make sure you're brushing it off really good. I ended up adding a couple of more coats to this because I wasn't liking that it was still very transparent. So you might have to do that sometimes. I ended up adding 4 coats to it, and this is how it looks. So also with these shot glasses, you guys, you can just go ahead and pour it right back into that little jar with little to no mess. The third step here is the activator. And what the activator will do is it will start getting that nail hard and getting you prepared for the next step, which is filing and buffing. Go ahead and file it to your desired shape, and also use a buffer to smooth out any lumps that you might have on the nail. Then we're going to go in with the activator again before the final step. And that final step is going to be the top coat, and it's just going to bring it all together, make it nice and shiny like. And here is that color. It's called Pink Panther. You can't go too wrong with pink, okay? Next, we're going to do the greenish teal color, and it's called Magic. And I'm not going to go through the whole process again because we already did that. But I just wanted to show you guys the final reveal of the next two colors. This Magic color had glitter in it. I don't know about you, but throw some glitter in it and I'm on board. The last color I'm going to show you guys is the orange color. And again, this one is called Mixtape. This is also a really nice color as well. So here's the final reveal of that one. Alright, so since these are glow-in-the-dark powders, I will turn off the lights and let you guys see how they glow. Aren't they so beautiful? I really like them. This is my first glow-in-the-dark powder, and I was really excited to receive these. Once again, those names are up there for you. Let me know which colors you guys like the most, and which ones in the dark that glowed that you like the most as well. Remember to leave this video a like if you enjoyed this content. It'll help my videos get recognized on YouTube and help my channel grow. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload any new nail product reviews. I'll see you guys next time.